What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, we're comparing two of the most popular design tools in 2025, which is Canva and Adobe Express. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or student, this guide will help you decide which platform is right for your design needs. So let's get started. So first off, let's start with a quick overview. Canva is a well-known all-in-one design platform used for social media posts, presentations, videos, resumes, and even websites. It's famous for its beginner-friendly interface and thousands of templates, whereas Adobe Express is Adobe's simplified design tool, formerly known as Adobe Spark. It integrates Adobe's core strengths like Photoshop and Illustrator tech into a lighter drag-and-drop tool for fast content creation. Both are great for non-designers, but they have different strengths. Let's compare. Now, let's talk about some templates and features. When it comes to design features, Canva offers more templates, over 6 lakh, including content for Instagram, YouTube, email headers, infographics, posters, and even whiteboards. It also supports view editing, AI background remover, magic resize, and even a built-in AI writing tool. Whereas Adobe Express offers high-quality templates, especially for branding, social media, and print. It has advanced features like text effects, brand kits, and generative fill AI pulled from Adobe Firefly Tech. Canva wins for volume, variety, and ease, whereas Adobe Express wins for visual quality and tight brand consistency tools. Now, if you want to access the Canva, on the search bar, type in Canva, and then you can see the first official website of Canva. Click on this website to access Canva. And from here, you can just enter your email, password, and other credentials to create your Canva account. Now, if you want to access the Adobe Express, in the search bar, type in Adobe Express and then click on this first Adobe Express website. So then you will be welcome to the dashboard of Adobe Express. From here, you can start a 30-day free trial and then you can create your account via your email, password, and other credentials to access the Adobe Express website. Now let's move to the next step, which is ease of use. Both platforms are built for simplicity, but they feel different. Canva has super clean interface that even complete beginners love. Drag and drop feels effortless, and features like Magic Design AI help speed up your process. Whereas Adobe Express has a slightly more Adobe feel, modern and minimal, but may feel a little slower or more structured. Still, it's easy enough for anyone to pick up. The verdict for total beginners, Canva is easier, but Adobe Express feels more professional and polished once you get used to it. And now let's talk about the next step, which is the pricing and free plan. Let's talk money. Canva Free gives you thousands of templates, graphics, and basic editing tools. Canva Pro starts at around $4.99 a month or $14.99 a month and unlocks brand kits, premium elements, background remover, and more. Whereas Adobe Express Free gives access to templates, basic photo editing, and limited AI tools. The premium version is also around $10 a month and includes full Adobe fonts, Firefly AI features, and 100 GBs of cloud storage. Both have generous free plans. Canva Pro gives more creative flexibility, while Adobe Express Premium gives you deeper control and Adobe integration. Now let's move to the final verdict. So, which design tool should you use in 2025? You need to use Canva if you want a massive template library. You need fast drag and drop design, and you are a content creator, social media manager, or student. And you need to use Adobe Express if you prefer more polished professional assets. You already use Adobe tools like Photoshop or Lightroom. You want brand level consistency and AI powered image tools. Now, the pro tip is to try both. Each has its strengths, and you might find your perfect match depending on your workflow. So, let me know in the comments which one would you choose. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.